Hey guys, so today is actually Friday. I'm in the San Francisco airport and I'm on my way to Louisiana. Just wanted to let y'all know so I don't pop up randomly over there. Well, good morning folks. It is Saturday morning. I actually ended up getting in around midnight or so slept in a little bit this morning. But I'm up now. Evidently there is some breakfast downstairs, so that is first thing on my agenda. Alright, so breakfast is done. We're about to go test fire this gun. It's supposed to be a stage gun, so let's see how it works. There's nothing in the barrel, it has a plug in it.
It's a fake gun?
Yeah, let's go see how it's gonna do for the stage. Oh, let me Snapchat it too for the guys.
Is it single action or double action?
Oh, single action.
Wait, hold on, let me take a Snapchat for the bros.
No, you shoot me. Can you shoot one?
No, don't shoot him. Don't shoot him.
Please shoot me.
No, please don't. Please don't. I will.
It's gonna happen on stage.
No,
okay.
shoot the lamp.
Let's shoot one blank one out here and then we'll shoot one at you.
No, do not shoot anyone at anything.
Logan,
Look at the barrel.
that's what this is for.
Look at the barrel.
Look.
No, but look at this side. Look at this side of the barrel. Look at this side. Look.
There's no barrel at all.
There's no barrel.
It's too scary.
What is this thing? Oh, that's to get the shell out. Ready? I'm
all
shooting
right,
you, Dad. How many paces?
Like
10
paces.
10 paces? No, that's you pick 5 or so.
5.
Alright, ready?
Alright, let's see if this works. 1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5. Friggin' idiot missed.
I like the smoke. It smokes better. I like this.
5 paces. Alright. So the fake gun works pretty well.
No, I totally.
We're at Costco now. We gotta go get some supplies for this party that's supposed to be happening later. So I guess we're going shopping.
There's a universe inside you, so won't you wake up now and see?
Alright, well we're done at Costco now. We got some of the stuff for the party, but we decided to not get the 5,000 pack of cups, so we're going to the Super One Foods to go get a normal person size bag of cups. Super One for round 2.
Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key.
Samantha Jaden.
Hey, what's up? Me and Landon out here Super One Food shopping. Thinking about getting these cups. Let us know if we should. See if you want to be in like party mode by the pool. Miami! Cheers!
So we just got finished up at Super One Foods. It looks like people are just now starting to arrive for the party, so we're gonna finish getting set up and then party.
What's up? It's Quentin. Got a sausage?
Yeah, like he'll message Logan.
That's it.
Oh yeah, it's okay. I don't really hang out with anyone ever.
I'm sorry everyone. I did not film anything of the party. I've pretty much been outside playing in the pool, playing some badminton, some volleyball, like all day pretty much. My feet are pretty dirty, as you can tell, and I need to go take a shower. So I'm gonna head on over to the Shaj and then go to bed. So I'll see y'all in the morning for the City Club try. Good morning again, weekenders. It's Sunday. We're in the van. Race day. Pretty much everyone else is already at the race. We just got a little bit of a late start due to the coffee addicts.
No one is at the race.
We'll be there in a little bit. So we got all the bikes put up in transition. Quentin actually has a flat on his bike, so we're gonna be getting a bike from Dustin, I believe. I'm number 6. Quentin is number...
I'm at 18.
And I don't know, I guess we're just getting ready to start the try. Just set up the transition areas and, you know, usual stuff.
Alright, what's up? Me again. We're at the triathlon. Landon's actually walking up right now. So we're gonna ask him what he thinks. So, Lana, what do you think?
I think that applesauce and hot dogs are the best combo, and nobody can ever prove me wrong.
Yeah, so we're out here. Everyone's getting aired up. I'm gonna get changed. See y'all after.
There's a universe inside you, so won't you wake up now and see? Don't hide away the things you're feeling. Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you.
Mid-race with Jake Haddox. Currently fifth place, fourth and fifth right here. Wait, no, so we'll kick it in. Now Logan, main competition right here. Hopefully he doesn't catch up. So we just got done with the race. These are the first 4 finishers.
Right here. Here's 50 seconds ahead of me.
First ever defeat by Logan.
They call me the money team for a reason.
I'm dead. That's the hardest I've ever tried on a try.
What
was your time?
Could not breathe. Could not breathe. Could not breathe.
Okay, so we got the results in. I ended up 7th overall. Logan, what was your overall?
I think I was 6th.
6th overall? All right.
No, I lied. I was 9th.
Okay, that's right. Yeah, he didn't beat me. I wasn't even thinking right. Connor ended up 3rd overall. So Connor is walking home with some money.
All right, so I just finished. I think I got 5th in the swim. We're here with Bobby. He's changing. Bobby, what did you think of the swim?
Huh?
The swim.
Water was great. A little wavy, little waves, ocean water, breeze, summer day.
Yeah, I really appreciate that. Just wanted to keep you updated on how I did. I got 3rd overall, I think. So, thanks for watching.
Alright, so I actually ended up 8th place overall. I think Logan got 10th. Jake Haddox got 14th. And that was pretty much the top 3 in our age group. Pretty surprised that I actually beat Jake Haddox. But I am at the airport now and about to take off back to Cali. Well, howdy there, partners. Just landed in Houston, Texas. Don't have much time to chat, though. Gotta go catch another flight on over to Colorado.
I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on.
Alright, well, I made it to Colorado. Got about an hour or so to kill. Got me a quesadilla. Got me a computer and both phones charging right there. And I guess I'm pretty much moved in for the foreseeable future. So, I'll let you know when I can get on the plane.
I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it.
Well, viewers, it is good to be back in the dry air. Unfortunately, it is like 8 something and it's still pretty hot over here. I did start up my truck from my phone, but right before we landed, so should be nice and cooled off by now. I guess that's gonna be it for this weekend. And I hope you enjoyed the episode from Louisiana, because next weekend I'm right back over there. Croissant.